Everyone, so Jai Poliki. So we are gonna do a video on how I have installed a USB charger on this Interceptor. So I'll give you the entire details. So this is Interceptor 2022. I purchased this on 2022 November. 2023 model. You can have a USB charger at this place. However, you have to get installed. I had to research a bit in order to find out the right charger and the plug. So I'll be giving you the entire details how you can also implement the same not only on Interceptor but on your GT as well as Himalayan, or if you see a particular plug inside the headlight. So I'll give you the details of it, where you can buy, what product it is, and the dimension. So charger which I have installed here, you can have fit here TVS Ronin charger as well, but it will cost you a little bit more than TVS Apache. So it would be a good idea if you go with the TVS Apache charger. It will cost you around 550 online, and if you get it from showroom it will be 650 somewhere. And you need aux wire, actually aux plug, which needs to be connected to your harness wire. So 2.8 mm is the dimension. I will give you the link in the description where you can buy this one, so no need to worry. And I will also include the link of this charger. I have connected this inside the headlight I have mentioned earlier. I'll show you where it is getting connected. Have already installed it. However, I'm gonna show you deassemble it and reassemble it in front of you, so that you will have the good details how you can do it DIY. So it's easy. I've been using it for a week now, and it seems working pretty good. Fast charging. It's a fast charging. So stay tuned. You can see now the headlight has been disassembled, and this is the place where I have connected the USB charger wire, and it was fairly easy. So you just need to have this plug, the male version, and that needs to get inserted on this yellow one, which is the female one. So yeah, so you can see this is the plug, 2.8 mm. This is the male part. You need to buy this one, and that needs to be connected to this Apache wire, the USB wire. Earlier, when you purchase this one, you'll have these plugs along with the charger, but you do not need these plugs. You just need to trim this out, cut it, and add these plug. So you also need to make sure you're using a right kind of wire. So these needs to be to 8 ampere wire you need to connect to the USB charger to have a safe to be safer side. You need to have a proper wiring done, just to make sure the safety of the vehicle, the safety of your device, and safety of yourself. When you're riding, you just want to make sure that nothing happens to your bike. You do not want to have any sort of accident or electrical issue to your vehicle. So earlier when I was trying to install it at the first, there was no current on this one. So this is the plug, the aux plug, which is connected to the harness. There was no current, and then I consulted with the Royal Enfield showroom. They checked, and they've also found out the ABS wasn't working. So the ABS light was on, which I was kind of missed. So I might be a few days before the ABS might have stopped working. So they did a research and found out there was a problem with the harness. They ordered the harness. Thankfully, the bike was still on warranty, the manufacturing guarantee. So they got the new harness fixed, and I did not have to pay much. I just had to pay 400, and I got this new harness installed on this bike. So in case if you do not get electric wire, you want to check two things. Hopefully the issue is not with the harness, but you want to make sure the uh, switches, basically the fuse and the switch it connected to is well connected. The fuse in, stays inside the seat. You can check the number of the switch. The fuse is 7. The 7th is the, so you can see the details when you open the cover of the fuse. You will see the name is utility or something like that. So the number is 7. So you want to check that fuse if it's working good, if it's in good shape. If it's not, you can change it. You will get additional switches inside the seat. So yeah, just giving you the details, all the details that you might need, if not now, maybe in the future. So let me install it back. I do not want to remove the entire set. That's why I just unplugged from the headlight. So you can see it, I have connected it with the mirror. Where the mirror is connected, it is well fit, and I do not think it will have any issues with the bike vibration, and it has the right adjustment in the screws. So I found some other chargers which were fairly cheaper, maybe 300 or 250, but they doesn't have these adjustment. You need to have proper adjustment in order to set this or install this on your bike. So I found Apache and Ronin USB chargers the best. They are fast chargers. So you just need to disconnect this one, add it to your bike, and that's it. You're all set. So let me show you, let me install it and show you if it's charging, how it's working. So just give me a moment. I've connected my charger. I can't show you, but it's charging well. So yeah, it's working well. It's gonna work for you, hopefully. So thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to this channel. I will have more and more videos on Interceptor and more informative videos in the future. So thanks and take care.